Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to edit your profile on Letterboxd. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So I'm right here on my particular profile, letterboxd.professor, and I'm going to click this button right here on Desktop Edit Profile. So once we've clicked that button, we're going to be presented with this screen. So here's the general profile information. You can change your username here using this Edit Username button right here. We can scroll down, we can enter names, given name, family name. There's email address options for notifications. We can select a location if you'd like, and also add a website if you want to direct someone to your social media or a domain name of your choice. And right here, we can add some bio information. So obviously describe yourself, talk about your likes and dislikes, and whatever you want. Right there, then we've got pronoun information. We've got posters, so we can select other people's posters or our own posters here as a general setting. And we can also select options for replies right here, and we can save changes at the bottom. Then we've got general auth or password information here. You can also enable two-factor authentication if you'd like. Right here, for the avatar, the profile picture, clicking there will open, and we can actually select a new avatar here, and that will pull in an image from your hard drive. And over here, we've got connections, so we can link up to Facebook or X, formerly Twitter. Notification features are right here. There's actually a ton of notification settings here, guys, for different needs and requirements. Then over here, we've got stores and streaming, so you can select a location, and you can also select your favorite services here. So Letterboxd have got some sort of agreement, and this is a pretty handy service. Quite a few sites use this now. And then over here, we've got data, and this is super important if you're looking to import a CSV from IMDb or elsewhere. I think you can do one for IMDb, which is the main one that the main data source that Letterboxd actually uses. You can also export your data as well in different CSVs. It will give you a kind of a diary CSV, a review CSV, and on. So that's super simple there. But yeah, for the general profile information, you're looking at profile and avatar for the profile picture. So have fun with this. Of course, favorite films, you can also reorder your favorite films, which you would have selected as a tag using the profile tag in order to get them to appear here. And then you can just shuffle them around and move the order around. And that's it. So that is how you can edit your profile on Letterboxd. So that's all for this video. Thanks.